How to install hollow wall anchors. Hollow wall anchors, also called molly bolts, are easy to install drywall anchors for light to medium duty applications. For this installation, you'll need a drill bit, a driver bit, and a hammer or mallet. Proper hole size is important when installing a hollow wall anchor. We list the correct drill bit size on the product details of each anchor. After drilling, make sure the hole is clear of any debris. Insert the anchor into the hole, using a mallet or hammer to set the anchor in place. Teeth on the underside of the head will bite into the drywall, preventing the anchor from spinning. Rotate the head of the bolt clockwise with a drill or screwdriver to set the hollow wall anchor. Now that the anchor is set, reverse the machine screw out of the anchor. You now have an anchor point to fasten your application to the drywall. For more information on sizing and installing hollow wall anchors, visit boltdepot.com. Fastener shopping made easy.